Alright, welcome guys again to the channel after the previous Bitcoin analyze, and now let's have a look at the Ethereum over here, what will happen to the market over here, right? So before that, let's have a look at the chart over here. This is the previous market analyze that I have done in the previous video. You can see market has gone pretty well, and let me play the video for you at first. In Ethereum, I'm expecting some straight market down momentum after some market, a little bit market holding, not a consolidation, just one or two candle hold, market is straight go down to this area, right? And yeah, just like that we predicted the market, and now we can see exactly as we predicted, market is goes down now. And as well, if you remember previous video that I analyzed, I mentioned that this market uptrend started from here, could be probably a fake. The reason is, look at the uptrend over here before this downtrend started. This uptrend over here started at a time when the market was very weak. When we're looking at this uptrend over here, the buyers has no much volume over here. Weak buyers and sellers are struggling. So that's why I mentioned that this uptrend could be probably weak. So you can see as the buyers pushed up to this area with the same speed, sellers also pushing down. So what will happen to the next? So you can see the market is currently corrections in this high volume area, and as well keep remember there will be a high volatility news coming up, which is CPI in a couple of hours. But before that, let's have a look at the chart and the technical outlook over here, right? The current market is consolidating, and as well in the previous market data also indicates that this area, this line over here has some kind of a strong volume and could be a little bit market up to this area and will be consolidated. So my target is a downtrend, right? The sellers are strong a little bit than the buyers, because sellers has the strength just like the buyers, right? Sellers push down same as the buyers is weak. So still sellers are strong. Sellers are pushing down, and as well the market reversed from a strong resistance area. The sellers come into the resistance area, so we can expect some more market down consolidations, and even here some kind of a significant market support area. We can expect some more market downward momentum after this market consolidation. So the main target is this downtrend could be happen, right? So because the sellers are strong than the buyers right now, and as well we can draw some trend line over here. The market could reach to this area, and once market reach to this area, we can get some more confirmations if this market continue or goes down. But my probability and the potential trend is the market will go down and could be break this area, could have come to this area again, and this will happen if CPI data got positive for the US dollar. So there are so many news that CPI data goes positive for this month. The forecast from 9 major banks, soaring inflation to ease off in July. And here's another news for that. US inflation expected to have eased slightly in July. So if this happen, US dollar will is strong. That means Bitcoin market over here, Bitcoin market is running pretty well as we expected. Bitcoin market also will goes down. That means Ethereum also will goes down. So news also has a forecast that looks like dollar will getting strong. So the major trend could be happen as a downtrend, right? So somehow CPI data goes negative for the US dollar. That means Bitcoin and stock market goes up, and as well Ethereum goes up. So however, in the technical part, we could be able to see this market downtrend if US data goes positive for the US dollar. Right, so let's see what's going to happen in the market. I'll update with another video. See you guys again.